What's this all about?
Unveil it, Mark.
Oh, this looks really nice. Oh my goodness.
Hi guys, welcome to the Theme It Workshop, and today's theme is hot rods. Now, to be a little more detailed about this theme, this is for my friend Myron. Myron has a 1931 Pro Street hot rod. It is an incredible car. It has won awards. He's taken it to car shows. He's been to cruise nights. It's also been featured in Street Thunder magazine. So understandably, this thing is his baby. So my idea was, Myron's celebrating a birthday in the next couple of days, so I gotta get going on this sign that I wanna build for him. This sign is gonna be modeled after the Route 66 sign. And if you're a car enthusiast, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. The Route 66 sign is very, very iconic. So what I've done is, I'm gonna take that concept of the Route 66 sign and go one sweet and then have a 31 right in the center of it. Reason for that is because on Myron's license plate, it has one sweet 31. So this will be very, very specific and themed just for him. So let's get started, let's do it. All right, we got everything CNC'd out, and I'm really jazzed about how this turned out. We got the sign part, which is the frame, and I routed out the back with the CNC so that our pieces fit inside. And we can paint these separately and then install them afterwards. So this here is the frame, and then we have the two pieces that are gonna go inside the frame. So we got one sweet 31, and then we also made a little silhouette of his car. And we're gonna mount this down here too. So it gives it a little bit more of a personal touch, because it'll have this and this car. Stain all the areas. And then once this dries, I'm going to give it just a light coat of white paint. And I'm going to leave it sit for a little while. And then I'm going to hit it with some sandpaper. Okay, things are looking great. We got everything painted out. It's nice and dry. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take some sandpaper and we're gonna start sanding it. And I wanna bring that stain to the surface. I want that stain to come through the white, so it looks like it's been a bit distressed, a bit of a washed out kind of a look. So let's start sanding. So we're ready to glue our panels together here. I'm using this special adhesive. It's like a crazy glue. It's called 2P10. I'm gonna put it all on the sign, just on the back of it. And you do have to be fairly quick because it does dry fast. I only got one shot to throw it on too, so I don't want to smear it. Perfect. There we go. I'm gonna leave it for a bit, and now I'm gonna do our one sweet. Once this sticks and dries, you'll never get it off. It'll pull all the paint off. All right, we're all done. I wanted to show you guys this one. I had this one started for Myron quite some time ago, and I finally finished it, so I'm gonna give this one to him for his birthday as well. But today's theme was focused on the One Sweet 31 sign. I'm really happy the way this turned out. It looks quite amazing, really. It almost looks like it's been out on the road. I made it look a little more worn. I got a little bit of wear on it. I distressed the inside. This is all pine. I stained it and distressed it, so it really showed up well, and it's looking pretty sweet. I can't wait to give it to him. So I hope this helps you guys out. If you're looking to build something similar, I hope this gives you some great ideas. Excellent. Join me on the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later.
Themish, like and subscribe. You don't want to miss an episode. Do it now.
This is Myron.
Hi.
Happy birthday, Myron. Unveil it.
I like how you wrapped it, Will.
No,
it was really nice with this nice towel. It was kind of pink looking.
Yeah, I don't wrap
It's
with
purple. It's
So
mauve.
it's mauve.
Okay. So
Oh, you got the sign done. That's nice. I like that.
there you go.
It's beautiful.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nice wrapping there, Will. Same towel.
Yeah, and he's got another gift. Go ahead.
What's this all about? Oh, this looks really nice. Oh my goodness.
There you go, buddy.
Oh, this is beautiful, Will.
Go up in your man cave.
Yes. This is really nice.
Yeah, you're welcome. I wanted to make you something more specific.
One Sweet 31.
Yep.
That's exactly what the plate says.
Yeah.
It's beautiful. That is really, really nice. Thank you.
You're very welcome. Yeah, happy birthday, buddy.
Thank you.
Happy birthday, Myron.
Happy birthday, Dad.
Thanks.
We love you.
Yeah, I know everybody does.